as well. Next up, I would like to invite the Senior Counsellor from the Australian High Commission to share her thoughts on the project.
Thank you very much. Thank you, MC. Honourable Fayez Sadiq Koya, Minister for Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport. His Excellency Masahiro Omura, Japanese Ambassador to Fiji. Mr. Levan Bodas, UNDP Resident Representative. Pacific Heads of Mission, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bulavanaka and good afternoon. First, I'd like to congratulate all members of this wonderful collaboration. The Government of Japan, the UNDP, United Nations Capital Development Fund, the Pacific Tourism Organisation, Fiji Hotels and Tourism Association, and the Australia Pacific Training Coalition. The effects of the COVID-19 pandemic on all of our economies has been devastating. This is a time of true heartbreak, but also a time for us to create opportunities and to be proactive. COVID-19 requires all of us to strengthen our partnerships bilaterally and across the region as we attempt to minimise the social and economic costs for the work towards recovery. I'm really pleased to see Australia's major skills development program, the APTC, play a role in providing unemployed workers with the opportunity to broaden their skills that will hopefully enable them to other pathways of work. Congratulations once again to everybody who's involved in this wonderful collaboration. I really look forward to seeing many more types of these partnerships being formed, not only here in Fiji, but also across the region. Vanaka Vakalevu.